Hello everyone. Okay, this is the example of reduce the payoff matrix. Okay, by the use of dominance method. Okay, otherwise by the use of dominance rule. Okay, for that, why we reduce it? Because first of all we find the saddle point. For that we have to find the row minima and column maxima. Okay, so we have to find out the value of maximin and minimax. For that we find row minima. Okay, so for here row minima, for first minimum is 0, second one is 1, third one is -5, fourth one is -1, and fifth one is -7. Okay, that is the minimum point. Now we find the column maximum, so we get here 1, here 3, here 7, here 3, here also 3, and here 2. So we check that there is no common point in the whole matrix. Okay, so there is no saddle point exist. For that we have to reduce the matrix in 2 by in order to. Okay, we have to reduce the matrix of 2 by 2 order, so we can apply the arithmetic method, otherwise algebraic method, otherwise graphical method. Okay, later we uh, learn about that. First we reduce it. So first of all, we check the row. Okay, if any row is less or equal to another another row, then this row will be deleted. Okay, so let's start step 1. Okay, here we check row 1, 4 4. Okay, this is a1 is less than a2, a1 is less than a2, a1 is also here. So a1 element. Okay, a1 के elements of a1 is less or equal to the elements of a2. It means all the elements of row 1, that is the a1, are dominated by row 2. So we eliminate this row. Which one? a1. Okay, so a1 will be deleted. Now let's check another row. Okay, there are this less than this, less than this. Okay, so then 4 3 7 4 -1 5 3 2, and here it is not possible. Row 5. Okay, 4 3 3 -7 2 2, and row 3, check row 5 and row 3. So 4 4 equal, 3 3 equal, 7 3. So a5 is less, here also a5 is less, here also a5 is less, here also a5 is less. Okay, so here also we can say that row 5 is dominated by row 3, so row 5 will be eliminated. Okay, so we eliminate two rows, first a1 and second a5. Okay, so we write here. Okay, you also have to write here all elements of row 1, that is a1, are dominated by row 2, that is a2. Therefore a1 will be eliminated. Okay, also all the elements of a5 are dominated by a3. Therefore a5 will be eliminated. Okay, so reform the payoff. Okay, we eliminate row 1 and row 5. So what we have? Player B, all the players B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, and for player A it is A1, sorry, A2, A3, A4. Okay, so we don't have to write the A1 and A5. Okay, so write the remaining elements. What we get? 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2. Okay, second row as it is. Third row is also, means A3 is 4, 3, 7, minus 5, 3, 2, and the A4 is 4, 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 2. Okay, so here now we eliminate column. By eliminating the column, we have to check the maximum element of column. Okay, so we eliminate the column having maximum element. So first we check B1. Okay, all the element of B1 is greater than or equal to the element of B3, B2. Okay, also means, look, all the element of B1 is greater than or equal to B2, B5, B6. Okay, so let's write step 2 here. All the elements of 1 means B1, B2 and B5 is dominated by B4. Okay, let's check B1. Okay, B1 is less than, sorry, B1 is greater than B4. Okay, 4 minus 5, 4 minus 1 means B4 के एलिमेंट से B1 के एलिमेंट ज़्यादा है, so B1 will be eliminated. Similarly we check B2. Okay, B2 के लिए 3, 3, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 1. So according to elements of B4 we have maximum element in B2. Okay, B4 के एलिमेंट से B2 के एलिमेंट बड़े है, so B2 will be also deleted. Similarly we check the B6, oh sorry, B5. So for B5 okay, so we eliminate B1, B2 and B5. B5 will be not eliminated. Okay, because here it is 2, it is less than B4, so we eliminate B1, B2 eliminated, so we have B3, B4 and B5 and B6. Okay, so what is the element of B3? 1 means B1 and B2 will be eliminated. So 1, 3, 2, 2. Here it is also 7 minus 5, 3, 2. Here it is also 4 minus 1, 2, 2. Okay, this is our A2, A3, A4. Now let's check again. If any column is greater than or of any other column, ओके, B2 B5 इज ग्रेटर देन B2 B6, B5 के एलिमेंट यहाँ पे इक्वल है, यहाँ पे ये बड़ा है, यहाँ पे ये बड़ा है, सो वी ऑल्सो एलिमिनेट B5 हियर. Elements of we can also write B5 is greater than or equal to B6. So we eliminate B5. So what we get? B3, B4, B6. So 1, 3, 2, 7 minus 5, and here it is 2, 4 minus 1, and this 2. That is here A2, A3, A4. Okay. Now we have to reduce the payoff in order of 2 by 2. So let's check row otherwise column. If any row or column is less or greater than any of the other column, then we reduce it. So let's check. Here 7 is greater than 1, but minus 5 is less than 3. So फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड कंपैरिजन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड रो का कंपैरिजन पॉसिबल नहीं है. सेकंड एंड थर्ड रो का कंपैरिजन देखते हैं. तो 7 and 4. सो 7 इज ग्रेटर देन 4, बट -1 इज लेस देन -5 इज लेस देन -1. सो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर A3 एंड A4. A2 और A4 को देखते हैं. सो 4 इज ग्रेटर देन 1, but -1 is less than 1. Okay, so there is no any particular row that is less or equal to any of other row. So we have to applying the average rule. Okay, so let's check how to find the average. Okay, row otherwise column में भी एक बार देख लेते हैं. 1 is less than 3, but 7 is greater than -5. so B3 और B4 का कंपैरिजन नहीं हो सकता. B4 और B6 क्या करते हैं? तो 3 इज ग्रेटर देन 2, बट -5 इज लेस देन 2. सो B4 और B6 का भी कंपैरिजन नहीं है. फर्स्ट और सेकेंड एलिमेंट में ही वाइस वर्सा हो रहा है. नाउ चेक B3 एंड B6. सो 1 इज लेस देन 2, बट 7 इज ग्रेटर देन 2. सो B3 और B6 में भी कुछ कंपेरिजन नहीं है. तो कॉलम में भी हमें एवरेज रूल अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द एवरेज ऑफ एनी 2 रो और 2 कॉलम. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we have to take average of column. Okay, चेक करते हैं. फर्स्ट 2 कॉलम को एवरेज निकालते हैं. 1 + 3. ओके, यहाँ पे हम लोग देखेंगे 1 + 3. 1 + 3 इज इक्वल टू 4. 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. ओके, सो वी गेट 2. ओके, एवरेज तो ऐसे ही निकाल देना, दोनों का एडिशन डिवाइडेड बाई 2. सो वी गेट 2 विच इज इक्वल टू 2. 7 - 5 that is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So it is greater than 2. लास्ट का निकालते 4 - 1. 3 divided by 2, so 1.5. so it is also greater than 2. so B3 और B4 क्या हम लोग फाइंड करते? B3 plus B4 is greater than B6. ओके, B3 और B4 के एलिमेंट्स दोनों के एवरेज के. ओके, सो B3 and B4 is dominated the column 6. Okay, so column 6 will be eliminated. मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट है B6 में, तो कॉलम में हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? जो मैक्सिमम है वो कॉलम निकल जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे B6 में सारे एलिमेंट मैक्सिमम है. किससे मैक्सिमम है? B3 और B4 के एवरेज के एलिमेंट से. ओके, सो वी एलिमिनेट B6. सो द रिफॉर्म द पे ऑफ. Okay, what we get? B3 and B4, because B6 is eliminated, so we get 1 3. Okay, 1 3. 7 - 5, 4 - 1. Okay, 7 - 5, 4 - 1, and here it is same A2, A3 and A4. Now we check in row. ओके, सो सेम हमारे पास यहाँ पे 7 बड़ा है तो यहाँ पे -5 छोटा है, यहाँ पे 4 बड़ा है तो यहाँ पे -1 छोटा है, यहाँ पे 4 बड़ा है तो यहाँ पे -1 छोटा है अकॉर्डिंग टू रो 1. सो वी हैव टू टेक एवरेज रूल. ओके, फर्स्ट चेक, फर्स्ट और सेकंड के एवरेज निकलते हैं. 1 + 4 7, 1 + 7, सो 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. सो इज इक्वल, यहाँ पे 3 - 5 इज इक्वल टू -2 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू -1. सो इट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल. सो यहाँ पे इक्वल टू की इनइक्वलिटी आ रही है. सो वी कैन से दैट A4 इज डोमिनेटेड बाय A2 + A3. सो A4 विल बी eliminated. Okay, so we write applying average rule, A2 and A3 is average, 4 and -1. Okay, 4 and -1, which is equal to the value of A4. Okay, so A4 will be eliminated. So what we have? B3, B4, A2, A3, 1, 3, 7, -5. Okay, now this is the required 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, now we have various method to find the saddle point. Okay, that first is algebraic method, second one is arithmetic method, and third one is graphical method. Okay, this is player A and this is player B. Okay.